Hi guys, I'm Tom DiLiberto. I am a meteorologist and climate scientist. Basically, all that means is I like the Earth and I like the atmosphere, and I want to know what's going on with it.
My name is Margot Greenlee. I'm a dancer and work with the Liz Lerman Dance Exchange for many years. We are going to crowdsource the movement that we do together today. We're going to start from a really personal place and then gradually get into the science and then take it into a movement place.
I want all of you to think about a time where you remember something kind of awe-inspiring about the sky.
Literally the sky was just sparkling, just complete sparkles.
But I looked at the sky and it was green, and I thought, gee, the atmosphere is really playing some funny tricks. We found out that there was a tornado, they said, in Vienna, and we look out and there's a triple rainbow, and it was just the most beautiful thing against the beautiful blue sky.
As I'm hearing the stories, I am doing the work of a choreographer, which is to really listen for imagery and action verbs. So I'm going to teach back some of those movements, and it will be our first movement phrase together. And tap 8 times under our knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do a stronger pounding over our heart and think of it kind of as that hail coming down. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Think more about the red clouds that I heard and really flick to that morning waking up to red and orange and a super light fast rain under the jaw. Good. And now more of a thunder down the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Stop. 6. Other side. Good. When you see a green sky, what are some of the ideas that come to your mind? Tornado. Ozone. Run. And let's start from way far away from yourself. Do a little bit of reach. And then let those fingers come in, 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 come in. And then I'm going to do the standing, but you create a sense of swirl in yourself, and I'm going to add. On the third one, I'm going to go around in the circle. After this third curve, let's immediately go into some rolling and undulating. We're going to do one slow, and then fast, and then really, 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 really slow. So we have those fingers coming in, and then as it comes to the center, a circle, another circle. If you're up on your feet, you could even turn it around, and then the curving starts in front of you, and it's a slow one, and then a really fast one, and then an even slower one. Thinking about contrast, the next movement is running away from the tornado, running away from the tornado. And now the rainbow shape, go. Nice. So some of us are still, and some of us are kind of cascading.
Earth likes things to be equal, so it's always constantly trying to be the exact same temperature everywhere and constantly failing at it. It's trying to take energy from the tropics and move it to the poles. And because of that struggle that Earth is trying to do, we have weather.
We're going to create another movement phrase that really fills this space. And we're going to get to practice it and rehearse it and then reflect on how it furthers our science thinking today. If we imagine that this is a giant map of the world, kind of like that map over there, with the United States is kind of this way, and then we have South America, and then we have Africa, and we have in Eurasia. Place yourself somewhere on the globe, please. So we're basically building the beginning of the dance. So we're going to run in. As soon as you get to your place on the globe, do your rainbow 3 times.
Rainbows are actually circles. You just can't see the other half of it.
All right, here we go. Beginning. Nice. Begin. like the storm being over at the end. Yeah, nice. Run. Yes, absolutely.